What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Colin here at NoremTrades. We're about to get started. It's 9:25. We have 5 minutes until the open. Get some things situated right quick. Do this. Remove. Hope everybody's having a great week so far. Every morning we just gotta fix up the OBS settings. Alright, that should be full screen. Let me see. Can you guys see my Apple? Alright, that should be good. Damn it. Alright, that should be good. I'm guessing you still can't see my whole screen, but alright, that should be good. Let's get a Google Chrome. 9:29, 1 minute till market opens. Make sure you guys can hear me. Okay. Let's check tradingeconomics.com right quick. Today we do have retail sales month over month. Alright, that's already come out this morning, so we're about to check the charts. Alright, let's put that away. Wow, we're all the way down to 432. That's crazy. Got some retail sales were bad. Let's confirm that retail sales were bad. Consensus. Get this shit off my screen, man. Alright, as far as I know, retail sales were very bad. Let me Google that. Alright, market reacted negatively to the retail sales. So we're gonna give SPY some time. It's moving slow. Oh, I'm on the 10-minute chart, that's why. Let's look for a move down here shortly. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Let's go to Qs, do the same thing. Alright, we got those set up. I'm gonna take a put on SPY here shortly. Got a 430 put on SPY. We just got filled light position. Still got to mark AMD up. Pre-market high, pre-market low. SPY bouncing a little bit. We are above pre-market low. That's why we didn't size up on this. Alright, now we take our time and get situated for the day. Really trying to have a great day today. Yesterday we nailed some trades right off the open. Excuse me, I was sized up on one of them. and I did not like the price action. I got out break even on one of those trades, and they would have ran like 300% on the QQQ 369 calls. We did hit SPY calls for 30%, and then we did hit Q calls for 90%, but I was much later in those positions. All right, we're green on this put 2%. What was I about to look for? Damn it. Oh, Roblox. My Roblox call is up from a week ago. Where's that at? Always keep an eye on the dollar with SPY and everything. Roblox ain't doing nothing. That call is a waste of my time. Everyone's looking for this gap fill on the daily. It's going to be a minute before that happens right here. All right, now we're up 8%. 430 put. If we can break this pre-market low, we'll be in great shape. Hope everybody's having a great week so far. That football game was last night was pretty good. Let me send the link out. I shouted bro out. He ain't even. Oh, we got his followers back. Blue 434. If we break 434, this will lead to an aggressive sell-off. Let's pull up the Robinhood. Let's see if we can catch a nice move down here. I like grabbing one-day outputs, especially if you're gonna go larger on a position, because the time decay won't kill you. Do we have more news tomorrow? Tomorrow we have building permits. We're going to be patient here this morning. I'm going to do a giveaway here soon in another week or two. How do I turn this brightness up? I think they're buying SPY out just to bring this thing down. Here's some aggressive selling right there. Yesterday, after I got off here, there's some wild price action. I just bought a 1 day out 430 put. Did I get filled? Please tell me I got filled. I had to get filled. It's a huge candle right there on SPY. I bought it for $78. 1 day out 430 put. Stop loss would be like 25% or so on that, possibly. I'm really not trying to lose anything on it or sit through any drawdown, hopefully. Okay, we are green on that trade. We're up 3%. If I sized up on that, I'd be taking some profit right there for sure. We're just gonna let this ride, man. We could be in 430s by today. Over the past 2 weeks, every position I call out has been in the money just about 85% of the time, 90% of the time by the end of the day. And I'm usually not still in the position. So today we're going to try to take advantage of that. We'll reject SPY. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, now we are 8%. Q's is a lot weaker than SPY. Q's is below pre-market low. Beautiful. Let's take it down through there. We're up 12.5%. 13%. There we go. Nice move down. 18%. I mean, we do this, man. We do this live every day. I just want to help people trade. Obviously, it's not financial advice, but I mean, I got a 90% win rate. I can't make it up. I do it right here live in front of everybody. I say when I'm entering, I don't BS. Um, that's what I do, man. So we're going to try to hang on to this for a few minutes because yesterday our 436 calls were in the money, and I had one day out on those, and then 369 calls were in the money on Qs. So we're in two different positions. We're in a 430 put 0 date expiration on my Weeble. That's only up 5%. Probably break even now after that candle. And then my 430 put 1 day out. I entered way up here. So this one's still up 16%. Now 11%. SPY's trying to hold this pre-market low. Still up 8%. Oh, you gotta be careful here. SPY just held pre-market low. Qs isn't above pre-market low yet. Qs is so much weaker than SPY. That's what we gotta watch for. Still up 3% on this one. This is just another spot to re-enter, honestly. That's another place you could have averaged in and re-entered. And we break through this pre-market low, we'll be in great shape. We're up 8% on our 430 0 day, and we're up like 15% on our 1 day. Got a pre-market low, and we'll be in great shape. Would love to see some more selling right here. If we can't break it, then possibly take profit on the 1 day expiration. I'm looking for that move to happen right now, though. It's a good sign that it got balled up like that on that huge candle and then just rejected right back down. Alright, now we are so we have a catalyst today. The market already reacted negatively to the retail sales, and I don't think the retail sales were any good. But we did already move down a good bit, so that's where we got to be careful. Q's already below pre-market low. SPY is above pre-market low. go. What is this? Damn it, Spot's struggling to get down through there. Need some momentum right here. There we go on Qs. Need it to happen on SPYs. We gotta break this pre-market low. There we go, beautiful. 26%. So we take profit right there. Beautiful. Beautiful. About 30% now. 32. Oh man. Wanting to get out down there. Beautiful. Is she gonna try to bounce? $33%. See one more nice candle down. There we go, beautiful. We're gonna take profit on this thing right here. I still have the 0 data expiration. Stop loss on this is pre-market low. We're gonna hold this 0 day for a minute. Beautiful start to the morning. I could have sized up and really made a nice chunk of change there, but wanted to be careful. Small wins add up. Looking for another rejection here to make a leg down further. I can put some pivot points up and stuff like that. What up, bro? We just called a 40% trade. Look at all this. So bad data came out this morning, right? So we took puts up here. When you have bad data or some extra information, it's called a catalyst. That's like wind at your back. Like if you were a sailboat and there's fucking a ton of wind just going through your sails. Like if you have a catalyst to help you, like some type of extra information or something, um, it's very good. Makes you more confident in the trade. So we just took that. I still have one I am holding. I'm trying to give this a second here. It's a 0 day, so this thing could be in the money by the end of the day. I'm trying to give it a minute. Man, them Cowboys looked good last night, son. I'm telling you. That's the first time I ever watched Dak Prescott, and he actually impressed me. He looked very good last night, bro. I seen the Phillies won. Phillies probably gonna go to the World Series. What's up with you today, man? Watch for some volume to come in here. We need this to reject. We need to get a little bit down further. Put on some pivot points on here in a second. Uh, Still up 40% on our 0 day expiration. SPY 430 put. I'd like to make that a 100% trade. I would love for that to happen. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that, Steve. Look at that, bro. Look at all that selling. We hit a 40% trade or 50% trade and a 30% trade already 20 minutes into the day. We're trying to see if we can hold on to this thing a little longer. They're trying to buy this thing up. Now Qs are trying to turn green. We're going to keep our finger on the trigger and be careful with this one. I want to see this candle turn red and us go down further. Qs is really green. That's what I'm talking about. 1 minute Qs is super weak and then SPY gets super weak and then they work against each other. Like, come on, baby, turn red. Let's get another candle to the downside. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. See, glad we ain't sized up. You see that big ass candle? Yeah, I have, man. I probably only won, I mean, shit. Damn it. That's why we take profit. Look at that dumb shit. And now, if we had a bunch of money in this trade, we'd be sitting there almost at break even now just because of two little candles. But I think I'm gonna start writing down every trade I take and stuff. But probably got like 20 wins and like 4 losses. But yeah, I've been doing very good, man. I usually don't trade the open, but the past couple of days I've been doing it and been doing nice. Yesterday I did it, dude. Yesterday I left some big gains on the table. I entered with some size and I took it off a minute later because the price action was just kind of like, it was whack. It was scary. So, but yeah, we had a 90% trade yesterday and a 40%. If we would have held a couple of those, it would have been over 100. All right, we got to go back to the downside now. SPY and Qs just act so dumb sometimes. One of them will be weak. Look, see how Qs is all green? Qs is holding SPY up now. A minute ago, Qs was more weak than SPY. Now it's the opposite. They do that. Like every few minutes they switch. All right, we're back. We're back up like 45% now. Damn it. We're going to get out of this in a minute. We're just watching carefully. I think we could see some more volume to the downside. Still up 25% on this. I was trying to hold this just to let it run all day possibly, but we're having trouble at this pre-market low. And Q's is powering up now. Look at that. Stupid shit. What you getting into today, bro? I'm glad I took profit on my other trade. Now Q's is a little weaker, now SPY's powering up. We need them both to be on the same page. There we go. I like that sell candle. That's beautiful. Bring it around town. Did you see that video I sent you, bro, with that pug in it? That was funny, bro. We're still at 17% with this. We were up to about 50%. SPY's still struggling to stay above pre-market, but it could rip right here. I don't think anyone's going to step in. I think they might just reposition themselves for the downside. Unless we close above this candlestick. Let's put on some pivot points. Look, it bounced right off this pivot point on the 5-minute. That's why using your indicators and all your tools available to you can really help you. Still green on this, barely at 2%. I'm not mad if I let the gains go on this one, because we took profit on our on the bigger trade. Would have still been nice. It figures the one day I hold on to it to try to maximize profit, that it's going to reverse and go up the other way. I'm sure that's what's going to happen. Now we're back to 15%. And if you can take profit on a contract early in the day in the first hour of trading, you do that, especially if it's a great trade, because after that, them contracts can deteriorate if you're in 0-day expirations. Bring this thing around town. This is the worst, Steve, when you're sitting in a trade, right, and it's just going back and forth, and you just like. So that's why when you're sized up and you're really throwing some money in a trade, you want to find that A plus trade, because you do not want this to happen. You do not want to sit here and have it play with your emotions like this. You just want to see it go from up here to here to here and then be all out. You don't want to keep holding. But we could see more downside right now. We're back at 20%. I'd like to see this thing go 100%. Q's going to help, or is Q's going to hurt us? There we go. Come on, break down with some volume. Let's get some volume. Come on, man. You got a formula for deterioration, or is it? Yeah, it's a formula. Theta, THETA, measures the inevitable loss in value that options experience as the time passes. So you can look at a contract before you buy it and check the theta, 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 theta. My bad. If it's like 0.05, then 5% of the contract could get lost every hour or something like that. I don't know the exact numbers, but something like that. You just have to search it up on the contract. We nailed SPY, Kyle, on a nice trade from puts up here to here. I got all out. I still have a 0 date expiration. I'm trying to hold to maximize our reward because we had the market reacted negatively to the retail sales. Was it retail sales? Yeah. But it figures the one time I hold it, then it's going to reverse or something. We're still up 8%. Probably not now. And that's why we take profit on trades. Look at this shit. Imagine people that still just loaded up puts and put size on it. They just got smoked. I'm fine because it's 1 0 day put. But, holy cow. It's a $1.50 move from low day. I'm going to hold off on another trade right now. Wow. Look at SPY, bro. Look at that. It's insane. That's why in this market, man, if you size up, you better know what you're doing. New high of day on SPY right here. We're not going to go against the grain and load up more puts right now or anything because that's a lot of buying. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Is there something that we didn't see? Look at that. Tomorrow morning I won't be on early. I'll probably get on after I get back. I have a doctor's appointment early in the morning. See how the market works in crazy ways. The one day that I don't sell one of my contracts early and take profit, this happens. I'm fine with it, but man, imagine if I had 10 of those. So just imagine if you had 10 of these contracts, right, and you were up 20, 30%, and now you're down 40, 50% right now. What are you going to do? Are you going to hold? Are you going to just cut them, take the loss? Are you going to hold, try to get more out of it? What are you going to do? Look at that, bro. That is insane. It's a $2 move within 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Buying SPY calls down here might have been the play anyway on that huge dip. I saw Q's getting strong and then SPY getting strong as well. Q's above that pre-market low. That's just how quickly you can go up 50% to down 50%. Look at that on SPY, bro. That's insane. And that is just an example of why I take profit 90% of the time. Why is my time and sales not loading? Q's above pre-market low. We're still down $3 on the day. We could be right back at 369, 370. I did grab a 369 call on Q's. It's just a lot of. I definitely see some upside happening now after all that. Moth trades played some Marvel 52, 51. It's a $1 move. If we can get these 369s in the money today, it'd be beautiful. I'm going to take a little 4-minute break. I'm going to run my dog out right quick. Let's see what we're up. Wow, we're up 10% already. If I would have took the 50% on the SPY put and then this, we'd be up really nice. But I did catch the 30% on the big spot puts. So I'm gonna run upstairs right quick and run my dog out for 1 minute. I'll be right back. We back. So for anyone just joining us, we caught SPY puts off the open, sized up a little bit for about 35%. We had a 0 day expiration that we let run negative. Was looking for a bigger move. That one hit 50%. We didn't take it. Usually we always lock in profits. Now we are in a Q 369 call. Yeah, QQQ 369 call. Great morning, great way to start off the morning. We had retail sales month over month. Market reacted negatively to that. Right now, I'm going to check some of these indicators. Check the RSI, MACD, throw some pivot points on the chart, and see what we could possibly see the rest of the day. We held the pre-market low on SPY and Qs now. We could trend up for a while, possibly to 369 or high of day yesterday. Yesterday's high day was 430. Let's see. I think it was 437. It's like 437.20, something like that. All right, there's that move on SPY. Q's popping. We are up 18%. So we had a 30% trade, another 22%, 26%. Let's keep it going, baby. Now we're up 38%, 42%. I mean, we're just knocking these trades out, bro. 46%. We're going to watch this one closely, not let it run negative, even though I do like more upside. I think the 369 calls could be in the money. 60%, 62% return on your investment in what, 10 minutes? We've just been calling out plays here, man. That's what we do. $70%. If I took that first 50% and then this one, we'd really be up on this account. This is my small account on Webull. Damn it. Still at 46% right here. We have about $1.60 till these could be in the money. Well, about $2 now after that red candle. These could very well be in the money in about 45 minutes. I want to watch this closely for a second. Let's check the RSI on the daily. Hold on. If we sized up on any of these trades, man, we would have had a beautiful day. I mean, it was a beautiful day. 51 on the RSI. MACD could be starting to curl. I want 369. I'd love to see that. We're back up at 60%. Would love to see 369 today on Qs. That's $1.60, and we would still be red on the day. So I don't think that's too much to ask, but it could be with the retail sales data. So when you have a catalyst at your back, that's why I love the downside this morning off the open with that catalyst. When you have an A plus setup, key levels, resistance, support, RSI, MACD, or a catalyst or something else lining up. I check the RSI and MACD, but I never use those to trade off of. We're gonna watch this closely here. Still up 35%. Not gonna let this run red. Make sure my mic's on. Okay, it's on. Beautiful. Let's get a big green candle. Back up to 40%. That's what we do, man. We got like 20 winning trades and 4 losses since I've been on live trading. Because we already have 2 wins today. The one was only a loss because I held. It was a lotto, so. I'm a big advocate of taking profit. The small wins add up. Still up 20%. We're going to look for this to hold here. Would really love to see 369 today. Get these contracts in the money. What if we flag here? And possibly see more upside. Check SPY. It's very similar to Qs. If we get to pre-market highs, that would be beautiful. So beautiful. Still up 24%. Anybody in here? 22%. There we go. 28%. We do have some earnings today. I'm going to pull some of them up in a little bit. We're just going to hang out, hold through this trade if we can see some more upside, and then maybe look for one more trade. I mean, I feel bad for people that were still in puts this morning when this happened. If you got in late, like right here, and didn't take profit, or even up here and didn't take profit, you literally just got smoked. All right, back up 38%. If we can see 369, that would be beautiful, or even 368.50. Flip this candle green. See it get balled up, go higher. I'll pull up some other stocks here in a minute. AMD back at 104. I love AMD here. What's at 105 now? Damn it, I should have looked at it earlier. AMD was at 101 this morning. Are you kidding me? Damn. Ravens receiver Zay Flowers is on pace to hit 1,000 yards. You might have to cut this right here. We're still up 18%. I'm watching this closely because I feel like some volume's about to come in one way or the other. Watching this closely. Still up 18%. He could be trying to fake some people out. Who knows? I feel like the market's looking where the stops are at and targeting now. Look at that buying. Beautiful. Back up 42%. Amazing. I love it. 50%. We're just smoking these trades today. 54%. 60%, 62. Oh my gosh, 70. Oh my gosh, look at this, bro. 78%. Where are we at now? 82%. 90%. Look at the buying on here, man. It's insane. Oh my gosh. 104%, 106% trade. Look at that. 116%. Oh my gosh. 120%. 132%. 134%. 142% trade. That is what we do over here. Look at that. 146%. We're not going to get greedy. We're going to take profit right there. Why am I not getting filled? Did I get filled? Alright, I got filled. Ooh wee. Whoa. Crazy greens today. SPY puts 40% off open. QQQ calls 146%. We do this. We do this over here, bro. Look at that. That was beautiful, man. People got smoked on puts this morning. I know it happened. Look at that. People got smoked. People probably re-entered puts up here and then got smoked again. If I took that first extra $20 on the SPY put, my small Weeble account would be up very nicely. I mean, it's up nicely. Look at that, man. And I said it right here. I had the trend line. It looked like it started to flag. Look at that, bro. People are getting smoked today. I already know it's happening. We still might go higher. Brandon, you in here today, bro? If you are, drop in the chat, man. Literally just called 146% trade. I'll make a post. I can make a post on YouTube right now, actually. Let me do that. Just to prove we're taking these trades and everything. I don't want anyone to ever say no dumb shit. Let's make a post on YouTube. Shit. How do I create a post? Is that the 146? Hold on. Yep. Just getting this in order. I'm going to post on the YouTube. Alright, so our other trade was 35%. So beautiful, beautiful day. 22 wins and 4 losses since live trading has begun. Alright, just made the post with my gains. If anyone wants to check that out, drop a like. Appreciate it. Imagine people holding them puts this morning, man. They literally got torched. Um, I'd love to have some more people start joining us, man. If anyone else has joined us, just drop by the chat. We called out some nice trades this morning. It was beautiful. It's not all my doing. There's always a little bit of luck involved in the markets, but it's a great morning. Great morning. Goal right now is to hit 60 subscribers, then 100. What's great about doing live trading is I call all this out live. No one can ever say, no one can ever say anything. We had someone dumb try to comment last week and say, you're welcome for those trades and all this shit, because I made a video on how 2 trades, if you took the first trade 2 Fridays ago where SPY went $11 up that I called out, if you followed that trade from $100 and then to this trade this past Friday, 430 puts, which was like another 1,000% trade, could have took $100 to like 20K or 1,000 to 200K. I made a video on it. They tried to comment some dumb shit and said you're welcome. I said, bro, I didn't even know you the first uh, on the previous Friday, and then on this Friday you weren't even in my chat. So people try to say dumb shit, but can't anyone say nothing because I'm live trading. So that's how we do it. I wonder what SPY's gonna do. We're just gonna watch now. I'm probably done for the day. Uh, it's a great morning. All right, let me get back on my phone on the charger. What do you guys see SPY doing now for the rest of the day? We just caught some bangers. 146% trade to the upside. QQQ 369 call. I believe we took it maybe right here. Right here or right here, one or the other. We caught all this. It was beautiful. Then right off the open, we caught some puts on SPY, not on Qs. Took SPY about right here. I got filled. Took profit. It was a 4:30 one-day expiration. Made 35% gains. I just made a post on YouTube with the gains from today, so anyone can go check them out. But and then I did have a 0 date expiration that ran 50%. I didn't take profit because I was treating it kind of like a lotto, because we had the catalyst of the retail sales month over month, and that's okay. We lost that. We made back more on this one, so. But I don't consider that loss a loss. It was a 50% trade. It was a lotto. I just didn't take profit, and I kind of did that on purpose. I was hoping it would run more, but I know some people got smacked in here, man. Look at this. And then possibly people enter puts again, right in here somewhere, and then boom. Some people probably got really hurt today. I know that's a fact. SPY's almost at pre-market high now. Let's check Qs. My goal with the 369 calls was to get up to 368.50. We were close, 368.18, but it was beautiful. Amazing, amazing morning. If you guys have any tickers or anything, drop them in the chat and I will pull them up. I'm going to have Professor on one of these days on a Friday, and then I'm going to have NoremTrades on here on a Friday as well. Go follow them on Twitter. I just talked to them about it last night. We're going to set something up either this Friday or next, probably next Friday. Then I'll probably start doing something like that once a week where I have someone on. One of them or my cousin or someone. So, man, great day today. I wish some people were in here to talk to. Tried to be pretty consistent with the live trading. I want to show up here every day, even when I'm tired or whatever. I'm just trying to build consistency. Wednesday, I will be tomorrow. I have a doctor's appointment. I'll be on about an hour later, most likely. Let's see what Professor's up to. Who the hell's calling me, man? I'm tired of people calling me all the time. Alright, what's SPY gonna do? Phoenix, I'll take you out in a little bit, bro. Come here, puppy. Come here. What you doing? Huh? You a good boy? You gonna learn how to trade? You gonna learn how to trade, bro? SPY is at 435. I think if SPY holds 435, that could be good. Could be bullish. Qs could make an extension higher. I'm just gonna do something right quick. The longer we consolidate at places and money changing hands and things like that, it's good for the upside, you know. But if it's constantly rejecting over and over and over, people are going to start to short it. I guess I'll make a little TikTok or something and then just check out a couple more stocks, maybe some earnings, and we'll hop up off of here. The video I posted has been removed for violating community guidelines. What video? What the hell, bro? It's whack. TikTok, YouTube, IG, they be on some bullshit, bro. I'm telling you. Did all these people view my profile 15 hours ago? That's weird. We gotta make another TikTok though. That's what we're about to do right now. Shit. Let me screenshot something on Weeble. Where is? Alright, I got that up. I'm just sitting here chilling. No one's in here talking or anything. So I'm about to post a TikTok. I posted my games from today on the community. We're just hanging out. Probably wrap up in a little bit. I gotta find a good song to put on this thing. What's that song on Scorpion that I like? Lord knows that's my joint. That's what we're using. That's a throwback, bro. Um, I wish I could play music on here. Um, Beautiful. Where's the other joint? Uh, Took SPY off open for 35% puts, and then caught QQQ calls for 146%. 22 wins and 4 losses live trading. YouTube Norem Trades. Perfect. Uh, I gotta post all these to all my other accounts. Great morning live trading. All glory be to God. Took SPY off open at 35% puts and then called Q equals 22 win. Beautiful. Alright, let me get that posted up for us. Hopefully they don't take my shit down again, bro. For real, for real. Damn it, I should have saved that. I should have copied that. I think Q's could go higher actually. Look at that pattern right there. these hashtags. Alright, there we go on that. Let me share to that. That's done. Now we gotta paste it to the YouTube. We got 3 watching now. We're gonna get ready to wrap up here in a minute. I'm gonna post this. Let me post the threads first. Alright, now let me post to the YouTube, then I'll check a couple stocks, and then we'll wrap up. Hopefully they don't try to take this shit down. Damn. We're gonna wrap up here in a minute. Just had to write something down. Dude, SPY and Qs are gonna go higher. Look at that. Falling wedge, boom. 369 is gonna be in the money. They're buying this thing up today. They're buying this thing up today. I'm going to check out some earnings and stuff in a second, and then we're going to get ready to rock out. Alright, let me do this right quick. I think SPY and Qs will go higher. That's just my prediction. I'm gonna check some earnings real quick, and then I'm gonna wrap this thing up. Alright, we're gonna wrap this thing up. 1 minute. Let me just check out some earnings. I'm gonna check AMD. If we could have bought AMD, look at this, man. Low at day at 101.66. Let's pull up some of them contracts real quick. Let's look at AMD. On the okay. I'm gonna pull it up on my phone. I don't know how to do it on let's see what the cheapest the AMD 105 calls were today, because that was a bargain. So high day 25.90. We're still above 105 now. If you could have got them 105 calls today, they're $207 now. Okay. Low a day they were $85. That would have been a bargain. See some people posted they're watching Q's long soon. Yep. I'm gonna wrap this stream up. I appreciate anyone who joined us. Hopefully, we can get some more people in here next couple of days. We had an amazing day today. Hopefully, someone saw something and it was able to help them, or can go back and rewatch these and see why I took those trades. So I appreciate you guys for joining us. We'll be back tomorrow, maybe an hour later, or we may just take off tomorrow. We'll see what's going on then. But have a great day. I appreciate y'all. Like, comment, share, comment on any of my videos if you need to ask me or anything, or